Okay, this is what it looks like before. I'm going to use a polishing pad that I cut up, okay, along with, to start with, I'm going to start with Adam's Polishes, just paint polish. I think that this will work because the LCD screen is just plastic and paint is also plastic. So I'm going to start with a very, very mild polish, and if it comes clean, great, or if it polishes out, great. And if I have to, I've got the blue polish, which is more of a rubbing compound. So we're going to try this first and see what happens. I'm going to start with shaking the bottle, because if there is any abrasives in here, they're suspended in the polish. So you're going to want to make sure that you get that. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this here, just that little bit. And then we're going to take that. I'm going to just start in the middle. Light pressure, very light pressure. I'm going to go back and forth, just to see if this does anything. I have to get a rag so I can wipe that off. Okay, got myself a little rag. Let's shut the door so this stops dinging. Let's wipe this. We'll see if this worked. Well, yeah, I would say it worked really well. That took less than a minute to do. So let me get the rest of it and we'll see how she looks. Okay, I cleaned it off. I thought about putting ceramic coating on it, and then I thought, let's not push my luck. But here comes the satisfying part. There we are. Fresh and new looking. Awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Click, like, subscribe. Yeah.